Hello, Electro Jeweler Jordan here, and today we're going to talk about a process called gem clipping or gem cobbing. This is a process that you may not have seen before, but in reality, almost every cut stone has gone through it. This is perfect for when you need to change the shape of a stone, but don't have a diamond saw. Okay, to get started, I have two pairs of linesman's pliers. And basically all you do is you clip the stone. Pretty quick and easy. This one, there's a lot of white area that you might want to get rid of. This little area would make it difficult to set, so you're just gonna pull that off. Here's another one. This is a really nice area, but this up here, a little bit unsightly and makes it more difficult to set. So I'm gonna first pull that little crystal off. Now much easier to set. I hope this helped. Please like and subscribe. If you're Brightener curious or you need electroforming supplies or information, please visit our website below. And remember, keep on plating and creating.